How to reset your Instagram's Explorer page. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can reset your Instagram Explorer page's recommendations and all of the posts and videos so that you can get personalized and everything from anew. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, what is the Explorer page on Instagram? For example, if I go ahead and then simply open the Instagram app on my phone, let's say for example, and if I go ahead and tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen, which you see, once I tap on the search button, you'll be able to see a list of all of these recommended posts on Instagram. Let's say that you're tired of the same old post that you receive and will get recommended. You want to simply reset it and get some fresh recommendations from Instagram. Well, in that case, fortunately, there are a few steps which you can follow. The very first thing we can do is simply come to our profile page. As we tap on our profile page, and then over here on the very top right hand side, you can tap on the three horizontal lines. As we tap on three horizontal lines, at the bottom you'll be able to see this pop-up menu. We're going to go ahead and tap on the first option, which says settings. Now, as we tap on settings, you could go ahead and look for the option which says search history or anything similar like that. Well, in case you don't find that option in the search box as well, you can simply type in search, or let's say maybe something like search history, and you can find this result which says recent searches. Go ahead and just simply tap on it. What you want to do is simply clear your search history. So go ahead and tap on the clear button which you see, and then it says clear search history, and then you can simply tap on clear all. This will basically reset your search history, and you could get some of the fresh recommendations when you reload the Explorer page. Now, the other way, let's say that you're too tired of the similar foodie types of posts and all, what you could do is you could simply tap on the three dots next to it, and once tap on the three dots at the bottom, you'll find this button which is not interested. You can tap on not interested, and you will stop seeing similar kinds of posts in the future, and you can come back and then simply also reload your Explorer page. These were some of the ways. Now, the other thing you could also do is you could only like and comment on the videos and posts which you think you want to get recommended in the future. For example, if you want similar posts like this, you can simply like this post right over here. If you want similar posts like this, you could go ahead and simply like those as well. If you don't want to get recommended, you can simply see it and then ignore it and then simply swipe through other posts. These are some of the ways on how you can reset your Instagram's Explorer page recommendations. You have to understand that there isn't a definitive option or a definitive button within the Explorer page in order to get fresh recommendations, but these are simply some of the ways where you can work it out. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.